I bid you all good morning, good evening, and good night wherever you may be watching this transmission. Guys, I got a really important housing story to share with you guys. It's very big. Italians have been told they don't have to pay their mortgage payments while the country goes into COVID lockdown. Guys, this is an important thing. The country looks like it's under martial law now, and it looks like no one's going in and out. So this is going to be a huge issue for the banks, but it looks like they're going to get some sort of government stimulus. Also, if this is not a big deal, why the heck is Italy shutting down its entire country and its like basic essential economy when it comes to mortgages and all that other jazz? That's dangerous. Very dangerous. There's something happening, guys. Mortgages will be suspended across Italy as the country struggles to deal with the COVID outbreak. Italy's COVID death jumped to 463 from 366 on Monday, making it the worst hit country after China. So again, China has been lying. Like, just ignore China. Whatever China told us, you could take that and stick it right in the garbage. It's over. Now, Italy and South Korea are the ones we need to follow now. The Italian government has placed the population under lockdown. The British bank RBS also said on Monday that it would defer mortgage and loan repayments for up to 3 months for customers affected by COVID. So British bank RBS also is taking care of it like that. Wow. This is Business Insider's homepage. So this is from our friends over at Business Insider. Mortgage payments will be suspended across Italy as the Italian government places the population on lockdown because of the COVID outbreak. Asked by the possibility of mortgage payments being temporarily frozen, the country's deputy finance minister, Laura, said on Tuesday, yes, it would be the case for individuals and households. The British bank RBS also said it will defer mortgage and loan repayments for up to 3 months for customers affected by COVID. The Italian government has placed more than 60 million people under lockdown, extending emergency measures initially imposed on the northern regions as it struggles to stop the COVID from spreading. In a press conference on Monday, Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte told people, stay home, and banned public gatherings. There is no more time. I will take responsibility for these measures. Our future is in our hands, he said, according to The Guardian. Italy's grappling with the worst COVID outbreak outside of China. Its death toll jumped to 463 people on Monday from 366. The total number of confirmed cases rose by 24% to 9,172, with 724 people having fully recovered. The head of the Civil Protection Agency said, according to The Guardian. The figures show that we are experiencing a serious increase in infections, an increase in people hospitalized in intensive care, and an increase, unfortunately, in deaths. Cote said on Monday, we need to change our lifestyle. We need to change it now. That's because we have decided to adopt these hard measures. He added, I'm going to sign a decree that can be summarized as follows. I stay home. The whole of Italy will be protected zone, as public events including sporting matches, funerals, and weddings will be banned in Italy. The threats, with theaters, it is a threat, is what it is. With theaters, gyms, pubs, schools, and universities closed, according to The Guardian. So there it is, guys. I wanted to kind of throw this out there because this is a really big deal, guys. Now, what we're going to see is we are becoming separated, basically, stop the crowd, stop that, but we are starting to unify also in many ways. We have social media, but we're starting to unify in a way where we're going to start to taking more. We're not going to start taking things for granted like we used to with this thing, and we're going to start to become a little bit more humble and start looking out for each other in a way we haven't in a long time. Give it some time for this thing to take its course. Give it some time for this thing to do its rounds, and we shall. There is a light at the end of this tunnel, guys, and I believe that we will start to become one again, and start to looking at the lighter things and start taking things at face value, or starting to accept things that, and be part of, you know, I'm not talking about be part of like a one organization. I'm talking about be part of more family, be directed more to looking out for family, be directed more to caring for each other, right? Neighbors, friends, family, coworkers. Remember, guys, the only cure to fear is to love. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. This is a big deal. And I need to read your comments. Is this a good thing that the government is doing? Well, it is a good thing because it's going to take a lot of stress off of people's shoulders, a lot of stress off of people's minds, but it's also showing the rest of the world that something serious is happening. Let me know, comment below.